Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through customizing team notifications in the Yahoo Sports app. Whether you're a football, basketball, or baseball fan, tailoring your notifications ensures you stay updated on your favorite team's activities. First, open the Yahoo Sports app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, scroll down and tap on the Settings option. After that, choose Customize Notifications. After that, scroll down until you find My Team Notifications. Tap on it. Now, you'll see a list of leagues. Choose the league that corresponds to your team. Once you've selected your league, you'll see a list of teams. Find and tap on your team. Finally, enable the bell icon next to your team. This ensures you receive notifications about your team's activities. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with fellow sports enthusiasts. Thank you for watching.